Stephanie. I'm going to show you how to make this easy popcorn maker. First you need at your home is a microwave. So here's the front, here's the back. There's like 3 numbers that included. Put it in the microwave, pop and pop, right there. And it's done. So let's open it. I'm going to have my mom open it.
You gotta hold this.
So that's my mom. So,
and how many minutes?
For
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah. Or you could do it for 2 seconds.
When you don't hear the popcorn pop,
yeah.
The kernels popping anymore.
So we're going to put it in 2 minutes.
And 30 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 2, 3, 0.
So you guys already know. So first, if it goes like this, now take that off and do it like this.
Mm-hmm.
You can see that I'm in like pajamas. And see. So I'm going to put it to
2, 3, 0.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
3, 0.
So this is going to take a while. So when this is part 1, if it goes out, we can do a part 2. So first, now we're going to get a bowl. So my mommy is going to get a bowl for me. A popcorn bowl. So you can get a regular bowl if you have one, or you could get this pretty flower bowl for a thing. Or if you have a movie one bowl, like anything, you can. So it doesn't even matter. So it takes a while.